Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm in the city. I'm about to go to this bar. Excuse me if I'm out of breath because I'm in heels and I haven't worn high heels in a minute. So I'm about to go to this little bar. It's called Sugar Mook. So we're gonna check it out.
Going.
It would just, do you have room for one at the bar?
Not at the bar, but I have room for one like here.
I done came down, hold up. Lay your head on my pillow. Here you can be yourself. Oh, that's to know what you are feeling.
And what else? Oh, that's a cool.
Making love to the beat so slow. Making love to the beat, girl, it sounds so slow. I'm in fuck with a G, girl, you already know. I got 100 on me for the night. Shawty, don't you leave for the night. No, you don't know my name. Lately all these bitches want is my fame. You don't know that you the one on my brain. I hit you with that late night text when I'm on the road. Girl, you know I'm tryna vibe with you. When you coming to...
Hey guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. Today is, I believe, November 23rd. Just leaving church. Well, not just leaving church. Me and John just came back from getting his hair cut. As you can hear, he's in the back snoring. Yeah, y'all. So today is a Sunday. Went to church. Got out of church. Went over to get him his, I think I could turn right on red over here, I think. Well, I am. Went over to get him a haircut because he got picture day tomorrow, and then Thanksgiving is on Thursday. So I was just like, let me just run around and do this stuff before I go in the house. So right now I am going to stop off at the Chinese restaurant. I'm gonna just get some steamed rice because I ran out of rice in the house and I just was like, I don't feel like cooking it today anyway. So I'm just gonna go grab some rice, and then when I get in the house, I'm gonna make some stewed chicken the way my mother used to make it back in the days, with like some tomato paste and onions and thyme, and it's so like stewed chicken. Basically, I know y'all hear my voice is mad scratchy. I don't know what happened, but I got sick between Wednesday and Thursday, and I don't know how I got sick. And the crazy thing about it is, it's just my throat. It's like I got a whole bunch of cold in my throat, which is so weird. I mean, the only thing that I could think of is Wednesday when I came out of my house, I forgot. Well, I knew it was raining, but I don't know what the hell I was thinking. And I put on a pair of shoes that, a little like pair like kitten heel pumps. So my ankles was out. And so, we they going with this coffin. Oh, to the church. Oh my God, I wish I could show y'all this. Hold on. You see how they got the coffin out and the two little girls just walked by and they was like covering their mouth. But it's a church right there, so they probably have like a service or something that they're about to do, so that's why they got it out there. So yeah, going back to this like sickness thing. So yeah, I had on the shoes. They end up getting wet. So I only wore them wet to drop Jai off to school and to get to work. As soon as I got to work, I changed my shoes into some sneakers. And I had this on. I was fully clothed, everything. I didn't get soaking wet. The only thing that got wet was my feet. So I'm like, anywho, so by the time Wednesday I was okay. Go to the gym on Thursday, get out the gym. My throat is extra scratchy. So I'm like, what is going on? So I came out the gym and came home and chilled. And then like the more the day went on, it's like the worse I felt. Come Thursday night, my throat is completely just sore. I'm coughing up mucus, and it's hurting my chest, my throat when I cough. I finally decided to take some type of, because I'm Googling it, like what's going on with my throat. They saying I might have sore throat, but that's the only thing that's going on, y'all. I'm not coughing, I'm not sneezing, like no fever, no nothing. So I went ahead and took some pain medication. So I think with the pain medication, it, you know, kind of soothed the coughing. Like when I cough, it's not that bad. So I was like, so Friday morning I got up, I went to Walmart, I got me some Alka-Seltzer, severe cold, some Zicam. So I've been Zicamming it and those two up back and forth. So yesterday night I felt a little better, and you see my voice is kind of going. It was worse than this, y'all, way worse. And so I was feeling a little bit better, but then now today it's like I feel not exactly like that, but I don't feel all that better. And it doesn't help that I'm still vaping. I need to give up the vaping, y'all, and this is probably why I'm sick too, because the crazy thing is I've had something like this before last year, but it only comes in the wintertime. So I'm like, I don't know. But anywho, that's what's going on with me, y'all. So tomorrow Jai has picture day at school, hence why we went. I probably said that already, hence why we had to go get a haircut. Plus he needed one anyway. He was looking kind of wolfy. And then Thanksgiving's Thursday. I'm working Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I'm off from Wednesday till Tuesday. Thursday for Thanksgiving, we're gonna be going to my aunt's house. Haven't been at my aunt's house in about 3 years for Thanksgiving. So yeah, it's time to go back to my roots. So I'm trying to decide, am I gonna put all of this in one vlog, or I'm just gonna like put this one out. I might just put this last vlog out, and then the next vlog will probably pick up from Thanksgiving and all that. But you know, it's gonna be cool. I'm in charge of the drink, so I'm gonna be making like this espresso martini. It's called a honey, I forgot the name of it, but I'll have it all tagged. The person I got it from, the recipe I got it from TikTok and all that. I'll put all that And what else was I gonna say, y'all? That's pretty much it. Yeah, we gonna be there Friday. Me and my cousin might end up going to Macy's. Has a market, I don't call it a holiday market. So we might go there because it's these cookies I want to get. So we're thinking about going early Friday morning. Even though we know it's Black Friday, we just figure if we go early, then we could be in and out. So that's what's on the plan. And then I may be, oh shit, the Chinese restaurant is closed. I wonder, is the other one closed? Shitness. It's this new thing now. I was just saying with the Chinese restaurants, like they be closed on Sundays. I don't know what's going on. But then I ain't really want to go to that ghetto one. There's another one. Damn. Bumbaras. Maybe I could stop at the corner store and just get me a little thing of rice until I could get to the supermarket. Anywho, what else was I gonna say? So yeah, y'all, that's it. Sunday, I may be going to see my friend, you know, the one I was telling y'all, like, I got a new person that I'm seeing. So I might go see them like next Sunday, not this Sunday, but next Sunday. But that would just be like not, you know, just seeing him for a little while and then coming home. But it's like kind of like a all day thing because, you know, it's long distance, but it's driving long distance. And then that's it, y'all. I'm not in the Christmas spirit. I really didn't want to say it out loud, but I'm being honest and transparent about it. I just feel like, you know, things are just not going the way I want them to go. And it's like, I mean, by now I should be used to it. But it's just like I'm at that level of frustration. I don't even think I'm putting up the tree. And I know that's not good. But the situation that I'm in right now, if I told y'all what I was in right now, like, y'all would understand. But I'm just not feeling it. So I'm not putting the tree up. The other day when I was in Walmart, I did, however, pick up y'all 2 little toys. It's just like some Hot Wheels things. Like, for Christmas, I don't go crazy with y'all. His birthday just passed. So he got a bike. You know, one of my neighbors came by, swing by, and gave him some toy the other day. He don't need nothing, y'all. He don't need nothing. So I picked up like 2 Hot Wheel things. And then, yeah, I'll probably get him like 1 more thing. Oh yeah, and I bought him like this leapfrog game that you plug into the TV. So yo, he don't need nothing, y'all. He don't need nothing. Nothing. But anywho, y'all, we just got to the park. I'm about to wake this little boy up because he want to go to the park and play, even though it's freaking cold. But I'm gonna let him run around until the sunset, and that's that. So I'll see y'all in the next clip later.